welcome to a new video, Funko Friday unboxing. I am currently using like a stool kind of candle support as a tripod, but I will be looking for my tripod. But I am so excited to show you, it just came out maybe 2 days ago, what I have in store for you today. So before we get started, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below after the video and let me know what you think overall of the video. But today I have something that just came out and I just got it, and a lot of people pre-ordered it, like, you know, my friend, he told me about it, and he told me about it right after I got home with it, and I didn't tell him because I wanted to show y'all here because I know he watches it. So today I have I'm opening it already, the Rick and Morty only at GameStop box, and you can see it's not open. I literally just started opening it right now. I'm super stoked. It costs $29.99, and it says it just came out because it says 12. I think they put it out like yesterday or the day before yesterday, because this is 12/30/19. So it legitimately like a day or two ago came out. So here's the wrapper. It doesn't really show anything other than like Rick and Morty, top view, and the bottom doesn't really say anything. So let's get started. Let me scoot back so y'all can actually see better. Okay, off the back, I'm opening it. So we have the crown. Oh, the king of so you can see that. The crown, but you can see it. So we have that one. The next thing, it's a toilet paper. It's toilet paper. It's Rick and Morty toilet paper. What the? No freaking way. It's Rick toilet paper for the episode of him being on a throne, a toilet throne. It's legitimately a toilet paper roll. Oh my goodness. That was box looks. I didn't actually think it was toilet paper. It actually sent you toilet paper. I don't know. Obviously, I'm not gonna use it, but isn't that weird? So the next thing, oh, this is a whoopee cushion. And it was like, right. I'm gonna take it out. So here should do it. I don't know. And the most important one, hopefully it's a chase, hopefully it's something good. It's the Rick wearing the king of this is Rick with the crown. GameStop online exclusive. They actually, when I went 2 weeks ago to GameStop, they actually had all of these, but no, except this one. I'm looking for the little Teddy Rick, and I couldn't find that one. So let's see this one. Here's a stand disc. Okay, so here we have Rick with the crown with a little stand disc, which is neat because his head is like super heavy. So do a little close up of his crown. And then little potty. It looks so sad. If y'all watch Rick and Morty, I've been watching the new season, y'all would understand where this pop they got the idea for, and I like it because he actually had like a close friend and he denied it. It was such a good episode, but it's adorable. I like it. They did a great job with the crown. I didn't think I was gonna get that one because I've seen some videos of what could come out. But I'm still going to pre-order the Rick that he's actually sitting on the toilet. When you like flush the toilet, it actually makes like a sound or something like that. I don't know. I need to pre-order it. I don't know when you could pre-order it, but I'm gonna try my best to pre-order it so I could show y'all then later. But then the next thing we got is Tony with the, I think he has a sandwich. So this is him. And then, but yeah, see, they're from this collection, but they're not listed on there. And then I recently went, like I said, I went to GameStop yesterday and I saw that they had the Rick with the snake and then Morty with the snake, and they're wearing the astronaut suits where they're floating in space and Rick's trying to fix a tire. They had that one, those two, and with Rick holding a skull that's see-through, and the old Morty, I don't know what's it called, but that's another set of the series that is coming out. But I was like, it's enough. This one's like $30, so let's open this one. If you understand the episode that was influenced from this and the toilet paper and the crown, the little keychain, everything kind of conjoins together, because in the episode, I don't want to ruin it if y'all haven't seen it, but if y'all haven't seen it, spoiler, like I'm just going to tell you a little bit about it. Basically in that episode, Rick has this toilet in the middle of like a paradise, I guess, like a location where he could peacefully take a dump. And basically he gets there because he needs to go to the restroom, and he sees this guy Tony sitting on the toilet taking care of business. And yeah, so it's like that whole episode is about him and Rick trying to, like, he's trying to take over his toilet again. He keeps using it, and then he finds out that eventually down the line that he passes away and he can't believe it. And then it's just this whole thing, but they're like, basically this is, I guess, a box is about them too in that episode. But Tone looks adorable. He actually, like, I don't know, it's like, it was such a nice like episode because he kind of like got real close to him and they kind of bonded and they got like this friendship going on, and then he finds out he's dead, and I don't know. But yeah, here goes Tony. He has a sandwich, and let's turn him around. I do see something off, but it's okay. Like, there's like a little bit of the paint kind of like extended here, but it's okay. But I really like it. So that's pretty neat. Y'all tell me below if y'all think it was worth the $30 to get the 2 pops, the Rick with the crown, and then Tony, Rick with the crown, Tony, the little crown keychain, and the toilet paper and the whoopee cushion for $30. I think I bought like a few bundle set stuff, but I don't know if this one was worth it. Like, maybe if you can't buy these separately, the Rick and Tony, then I guess yeah, because then they'll be collectors, you know, because there's only in GameStop. But I don't know if it was like completely worth it. I really like them because I do collect Rick and Morty sets. But let me know below if y'all think, if y'all would make this purchase of $30 for these items. So the whoopee cushion, the little keychain, pop, the TP, let me turn it around, the TP, and Rick with the crown and Tony. So let me know below. But overall, I hope y'all enjoyed. It was really quick. There's not a lot to really look at because it's like TP, the whoopee cushion is like not really so much detail on it. But I hope y'all enjoyed it. If y'all did enjoy it, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. And I'll be seeing y'all next week.